Let's learn. Let's get started.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Real Talk English Daily. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about something very powerful, how changing your mindset can truly change your life.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Emma, it is so wonderful to have you here on Real Talk English Daily for this very inspiring episode.
Thank you, Daniel. Yes, this topic is so close to my heart because changing my mindset genuinely changed my life.
Really? That is a strong statement. We will definitely explore that more today.
Yes, and not just personal growth. Today on Real Talk English Daily, we will also learn very useful English vocabulary and expressions about mindset and life.
Yes, real life topic, real useful English. Perfect combination for A1 to B1 learners.
Let's begin.
Let's go.
Okay, Emma, let's start with the basics. What is a mindset exactly?
A mindset is the way you think about yourself and the world around you.
The way you think. So it is your mental attitude, your belief system.
Yes, your mindset is like a lens, the lens through which you see everything in life.
Oh, I love that. A mindset as a lens. If your lens is clear, you see things clearly.
Yes, and if your lens is cloudy or negative, everything looks harder and more difficult than it really is.
So your mindset literally shapes your reality.
Yes, two people can face the exact same situation, but have completely different experiences.
Because of their different mindsets.
Exactly. The situation is the same, but the mindset changes everything.
Can you give a simple example?
Yes, imagine two people both make a big mistake at work.
Okay, same mistake, same situation.
Person one thinks, I am so stupid, I always fail, I am terrible at this job.
That is a very negative and self-destructive reaction.
Yes. And person two thinks, I made a mistake. What can I learn from this? How can I do better next time?
Completely different response. Constructive and forward-looking.
Same mistake. But person two grows from it, and person one suffers from it.
Yes. The difference is purely in the mindset, in how they chose to interpret the situation.
And that difference in mindset creates completely different life outcomes over time.
That is incredibly powerful when you think about it.
Okay, there are two famous types of mindset. Tell everyone about them, Emma.
Yes. The two types are fixed mindset and growth mindset.
Fixed mindset first, what does that mean?
A fixed mindset believes that your abilities and intelligence are fixed, unchangeable.
So you either have talent or you do not, and nothing can change that.
Yes. People with a fixed mindset say things like, I am just not good at math. I was not born to be a singer. I am not a language person.
They believe their limits are permanent.
Yes, and because they believe that, they stop trying. They avoid challenges.
Because if they try and fail, it confirms their belief that they are not capable.
Exactly. So they choose not to try, to stay safe, to avoid failure.
But avoiding failure also means avoiding growth, avoiding improvement.
Yes, a fixed mindset keeps you exactly where you are, forever.
Now tell me about the growth mindset. What is the difference?
A growth mindset believes that abilities can be developed through effort and practice.
So you are not born talented, you become capable through work.
Yes, people with a growth mindset say, I cannot do this yet, but I can learn.
Yet, that one small word changes everything.
Yes, the word yet is so powerful. I cannot speak English fluently yet, but I am learning.
I am not good at this yet, but I will be if I keep practicing.
Yes, yet turns a limitation into a temporary situation, not a permanent one.
And that belief makes you keep going. Keep learning, keep improving.
Yes, growth mindset. People embrace challenges. They see failure as feedback, not as proof of inability.
Failure as feedback, not as proof of inability. That is a beautiful reframe.
Yes, every failure tells you something useful if you have the right mindset to hear it.
Now let's talk about practical ways to change your mindset in daily life.
Yes, because knowing about mindset is one thing, actually changing it is another.
Practical tip number 1.
Tip 1. Watch your inner voice, the voice inside your head.
Yes, We all have an inner voice, the voice that comments on everything you do.
And for many people, that inner voice is very negative and very critical.
It says things like, you are not smart enough. You will never succeed. You always fail.
Yes? And here is the key. You can choose to change what that voice says.
Instead of, I always fail. Say, I have not succeeded yet, but I am learning.
Instead of, I am not good enough, say, I am growing and improving every day.
Small changes in your inner language create big changes in your mindset over time.
Yes. Your thoughts become your beliefs become your actions become your life.
Everything starts with the voice inside your head.
Practical tip number 2.
Tip 2. Embrace challenges instead of avoiding them.
Yes, people with fixed mindsets run away from challenges. People with growth mindsets run toward them.
Yes, when something feels hard, see it as an opportunity, not a threat.
For example, learning English feels hard. You could avoid it. Stay in your comfort zone.
Or you could embrace the challenge. Know that the difficulty means you are growing.
Difficulty is the signal of growth. If something feels easy, you are not learning anything new.
Yes, comfort zone means no growth zone. Challenge zone means growth zone.
Choose the challenge zone. That is where your better self is waiting.
Practical tip number 3.
Tip 3. Surround yourself with growth-minded people.
Yes, the people around you influence your mindset enormously.
Yes. If your friends always complain and say nothing is possible, that energy affects you.
And if your friends encourage you and believe in growth and possibility, that energy also affects you.
You become like the people you spend the most time with.
So choose your inner circle carefully. Choose people who lift you up, not pull you down.
And if you cannot change the people around you, consume content from growth-minded people.
Books, podcasts, videos from people who inspire and motivate you.
Yes, your mental diet matters just as much as your physical diet.
What you consume mentally shapes who you become. Choose your mental diet wisely.
Okay, everyone, now let's learn some English vocabulary from today.
Yes, today we use many important and beautiful English words.
First word, mindset. The way you think about yourself and the world.
A positive mindset helps you see opportunities where others see problems.
Second word, fixed, unchangeable, set in one position, not able to grow.
A fixed mindset believes abilities cannot change. This holds people back.
Third word, embrace. To accept something willingly and enthusiastically.
Embrace challenges. They are how you grow and improve.
Fourth word, constructive. Helpful and useful. Building something positive.
Constructive feedback helps you improve. It is not criticism, it is guidance.
Fifth word, interpret. To understand or explain the meaning of something.
How you interpret failure determines whether it helps you or hurts you.
Sixth word, reframe. To think about something in a new and more positive way.
Reframe failure as feedback. That small change transforms how you learn.
Now, 2 powerful expressions from today.
First expression, not yet. Turning a present limitation into a future possibility.
I cannot speak English fluently yet, but I am working on it every day.
Second expression, inner voice. The thoughts and words you say to yourself inside your mind.
Train your inner voice to be kind and encouraging, not critical and negative.
Now, quick pronunciation practice. 3 words from today.
Mindset, mindset. 2 syllables. Stress on the first part. Mindset.
Mindset, mindset, mindset. Clear and strong. Mindset,
Embrace, embrace. 2 syllables. Stress on the second part. Embrace.
embrace, embrace, embrace. Say it with energy. Embrace,
Constructive. Constructive. 3 syllables. Stress on the second part. Constructive.
constructive, constructive. Say all 3. Mindset, embrace, constructive.
Practice those words out loud until they feel completely natural.
Okay, everyone on Real Talk English Daily, here is your challenge today.
Think about one negative thought you often say to yourself, in your inner voice.
Then reframe it. Write the negative thought and the reframe positive version in the comments.
For example, negative. I am too old to learn English. Reframed, I am never too old to learn. I start today.
Simple and powerful. We want to read your reframes. We will cheer for every single one.
If this episode helped you, please like Real Talk English Daily.
Subscribe for new episodes every week. Share with a friend who needs this message today.
Okay, Emma, what an inspiring episode of Real Talk English Daily today.
Yes, I really love this conversation. So meaningful and so useful.
Quick final summary for everyone.
Mindset is the lens through which you see your life. Choose it carefully.
Fixed mindset says abilities are permanent. Growth mindset says abilities can develop.
The word yet is powerful. I cannot do this yet, but I am learning.
Tip 1. Watch and change your inner voice, from negative to constructive.
Tip 2. Embrace challenges. Difficulty means growth is happening.
Tip 3. Surround yourself with growth-minded people and content.
Key vocabulary: mindset, fixed, embrace, constructive, interpret, reframe.
Key expressions: not yet, inner voice.
Real mindset, real growth, real English. That is Real Talk English Daily.
Today was so much fun, Emma. I enjoyed our conversation today so much.
Me too, Daniel. Thank you everyone for listening to Real Talk English Daily today.
Change your mindset today. Even one small thought, it is enough to start.
Yes, small shifts in thinking create big changes in life. We truly believe that.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time on Real Talk English Daily. Bye-bye.
Bye everyone. Grow your mindset, grow your English, grow your life. Bye.